Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to log from in the GitHub. So for that, please go to github.com and then go to sign in, log in with your username and password. Just type here. Okay. So we have this many repositories. So just go to any repositories. Let's see. We are going to see some exercise. So I came over here, then here is a code issues pull request. So we need to go to issues, then click on new issues, then you can do file like sample public one, just not working, and you can attach a file over here. Let's say I'm attaching this one, just I'm attaching. So I have attached this one, then you want to do a sign in. Just there is no member, so I'm giving myself only. Okay, now I'm doing a submission issue. So click here. So the file got reported. Here is a screenshot. Everything has come. Owner only. With owner only it has gone. So whichever assignment you will assign, that they will go to them. Okay, fine. So this is it. Uh,